Alan, we're talking about major delays to and from Mexico and the Caribbean. The airline in this case, Sunwing. Passengers say they faced major delays, but also a frustrating lack of communication.
Everybody is very nice, very calm, but 12 hours in, that's it.
Alexander Stredovich is talking about what happened in Cancun, Mexico on the weekend, describing a 25-hour delay on a flight to Toronto aboard Sunwing.
The poor rep that was there, she broke down in tears because she's surrounded by 20, 30 people all yelling at her.
The problems began when Sunwing had mechanical problems on aircraft being leased from Eastern Airlines, a plane like this one. The flight to Cancun was delayed time and again, but passengers say they were strung along, told the plane would be there shortly when it still hadn't left Toronto.
So why give somebody false hope when you can be upfront and honest?
Sunwing declined an interview, in a statement saying it experienced rolling delays over the weekend caused by multiple factors, including maintenance issues and crew exceeding duty time, adding, "We sincerely regret the delays." But Sunwing didn't do something it is required to, says this passenger rights advocate.
Sunwing was supposed to rebook passengers on flights of other airlines. They failed to do so. They clearly broke the rules.
The delays getting a plane to Cancun also meant delays for those expecting to leave on that same plane when it returned to Toronto later on. Police were called to Pearson Airport. They're the ones who delivered the news and the choices.
Those issues cannot and will not be settled now.
Back in Mexico, the full-day delay was frustrating, made worse by little or no information from the airline. Just last month, Sunwing was fined $700,000 for ice-related storm delays a year earlier.
Be upfront and honest and say, customers, here's the reality. This is what needs to happen at this point. There's going to be an extended delay.
After all these delays getting back home, Sunwing offered a $250 credit to a future non-discounted flight. International rules are clear. An airline in a case like this has to pay compensation.
So if they have to buy food, meals, extra parking, and additional transportation, lost wages, all these Sunwing is on the hook for.
But in order to see their money, they may have to sue the airline in small claims court. Sunwing is using the same playbook it's used after other delays, offering vouchers rather than compensation, as set out in the Montreal Convention that governs air travel. And while airlines can't guarantee there won't be delays, many, including Sunwing, could do a better job communicating about delays, giving a straight answer so people can plan around them rather than be strung along.